everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying opening these little advent boxes with me this year, and I hope you're coming back each day to see what there was to look forward to. Now, got all the previous ones there ready, but we are on day 7, so let's jump in with day 7. Oh, I love this one already. Give you a little sneak peek. Ooh, there we go. Oh no, it's another one I can't pronounce, I think. Lapis lazuli? We're just going to pretend that that's right. Okay. So this one reminds me of, I don't know, almost like, I don't really know, it's just that green just really makes me think of real outdoorsy type thing. I don't really know, that green just reminds me of something. But anyway, got this beautiful mixture of the blues and the greens. What I'm going to start doing is looking up the gemstones after I've opened these so that I can see what they're like in real life. I think that would be really interesting. But that is day number 7. Really love that green that's in there. I think that's really beautiful. So there's our first week of gemstone colours, and I'm really looking forward to next time. I'll see you soon. Bye.